Hey, happy holidays. So, to butterfly the turkey, you have to have a strong scissors or knife cutting along the backbone. As you see here, it's already been removed. There's a lot of recipes to create your dry rub, but I just used anything I had in my pantry. Since I'm a carnivore, I just had to throw in some sausages. Why not? Gotta have the vegetables, man, those natural juices from the turkey, drippings. I added potatoes, carrots, onions, mushrooms. Don't forget the garlic. Since the turkey was butterflied, man, in about 1.5 hours, it already browned. So I added the sausage later and finished it up for another hour, 15 minutes. Go and check it, but man, just a little over 2 hours, and you get it nice and brown. So after the application of the dry rub, put it in the refrigerator overnight so it all gets the seasons into the meat. And man, I tell you, you'll be getting a very juicy turkey. So during the coronavirus pandemic and the lockdowns, man, we're just having fun doing home videos and sharing it to YouTubers. I hope you enjoy our lifestyle. Hey, do you see that mountain in the background? That's Coco Crater. That's the popular hiking trail to the top. And nearby is Coolio Beach Park. And you'll see other videos with beautiful beach park. And Mimi and Pepe loves to go there. Here's a new way to prepare your stuffing. You roll it up to a ball and add the turkey. And then do the process with the flour, egg, and panko. Now it's deep fried. Man, I tell you, delicious stuffing bites. I forgot to tell you, we stuffed mozzarella cheese in the middle of the stuffing ball. What a treat. What a surprise. Delish. In Hawaiian, we say, oh no. Would you agree with me that Thanksgiving leftovers is the best?
Amy, Basil, no, 괜찮아. 재밌어요. 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 Basil. No, okay.